So next we are going to discuss exercise 5.5 third problem. Okay. So I read out the problem. At a water fountain, water attains a maximum height of 4 meters at a horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from its origin. If the water is a parabola, find the height of the water at a horizontal distance of 0.75 meter from the point of origin. Okay. Actually, when you observe the water fountain, how it looks like means from the ground it starts like this and then it goes like this. Okay. By observing this, we can identify the type of parabola. Okay. By observing this, we can easily identify that the type of parabola what we are going to make use is the parabola open downwards. So first thing what we are going to do is we are going to draw the parabola which is open downwards. Okay. So first let us draw the x and the y axis. So this is my y axis and this is my x axis. Okay. So now what I am going to do is, now your fountain starts here. Okay. Suppose let us take this as our origin O. Okay. So the fountain water starts like this and once again it falls like this. Okay. So this is the parabola open downwards. The vertex of the parabola lies here. The vertex of the parabola will be here. So it is not the origin 0, 0. So let us take this is the origin 0, 0. Here the vertex is not at the origin. It is the non-standard type of parabola. Okay, which is open downwards. Next, what is the information given to us? Water attains a maximum height of 4 meter at a horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from the origin. So when it is 0.5 meter from the origin, so this is 0.5 meter, it takes the maximum height of 4 meters. Okay, from which we can able to find the vertex of the parabola as 0.5, 4. So the vertex of the parabola h, k is 0.5, 4. Next, what we are asked to find? If the path of the water is a parabola, find the height of the water at the horizontal distance of 0.75 meter from the point of origin. So from the point of origin, you have to go to the distance of 0.75. Okay, at a distance of 0.75. What will be the height of the water fountain? So let us take the height of the water fountain is AB. Since it is an unknown distance, you have to take this as y1. So this point B is nothing but 0.75, y1. Okay. So this is the thing what we are getting from the question. Okay. Actually we are need to find the height AB, which is nothing but y1, and we are using the non-standard type of parabola which is open downwards. So first what I am going to do is I am going to write the type and then I am going to write the equation. So the type of parabola. So the type of parabola what we are going to use is the parabola open downwards. Okay, and we know the equation for the parabola which is open downwards, but it is non-standard type. So non-standard type means x minus h the whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Okay, so this is the first equation you are having. Here we are having the vertex h, k. So it is marked here. The vertex is 0.5, 4. The vertex is 0.5, 4. So now I am going to write the vertex. So the vertex h, k. H, k is 0.5, 4. Now I can substitute instead of h and k. I can substitute instead of h and k. So when you are substituting this, the equation becomes x minus 0.5 the whole square, which is equal to minus 4a into y minus 4. So this is the equation of parabola after substituting the vertex. Let us take this as equation number 2. Okay. Next step what I am going to do is, we are having the point where the parabola passes through. The parabola passes through the point 0, 0. By substituting this in the second equation, we can able to find the constant 4a. So now I am going to write that the parabola. Now I am going to write the parabola passes. The parabola passes through the point. What is the point? 0, 0. So now we can substitute instead of x as 0 and y as 0 in the second equation. So your second equation implies that if you are substituting x as 0 means you will have only minus 0.5 the whole square. So you are having minus 0.5 the whole square is equal to, here you are having minus 4a into what you are having, y minus 4. So what is the value of y? It is also 0. So you are having minus 4. So which implies that when you are squaring this, you will get that 0.25 is equal to minus into minus plus. So 4a into 4. After that, from which you can have that 4a is equal to 0.25 divided by 4. Now I am going to substitute this value once again in the second equation. Okay. So substitute in the second equation. So your second equation implies that what will be your second equation? X minus 0.5 the whole square is equal to minus 4a. What is the value of 4a? 0.25 divided by 4 into y minus 4. Okay. So this is the thing you are having. Okay. After that, what we are going to do is, this is the third equation you are having. So this is the third equation. Hereafter we are going to make use of this equation only. Okay. Next. So we need to find the height AD. So let us make a statement that after, let AD be the required height. So let AD be the required height what we are in need of, and also we have taken that AD is equal to y1. That AD is equal to y1. So you are having the point B of 0.75 y1 be another point on the parabola. So let 0.75 y1 be another point. Be another point on the parabola. Okay. So you have to substitute this point in the third equation. So your third equation implies that what is your third equation? X. For the x you are having 0.75. So what you are having? 0.75 minus 0.5. Okay. So 0.5 the whole square, which is equal to what you are having? 0 minus 0.25 divided by 4 into y minus 4. So next thing what we are going to do is, when you are subtracting 0.75 minus 0.5, you will get 0.25. 0.25 the whole square is equal to what you will get. You can just multiply the minus inside, or at the last you can multiply the minus, that is minus 0.25 divided by 4 into y minus 4. So now you can cancel the square at this. When you are multiplying this, 4 into 0.25. 4 into 0.25 now, which is equal to 1. And also when you are multiplying this minus means you will get that minus y plus 4. Okay. So next what we are going to do is, you just bring the y to the left hand side and this to the right hand side, you will get that y1 which is equal to here, instead of y we are substituting y1, so you have to write it as y1. So your y1 is equal to what you are having, minus y1 when it becomes the plus y1. This one goes to other side means minus 1. So 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3. So we have taken AB is equal to 3 meters. So what we have found is the required height. So the required height is 3 meters. So this is the answer we are going to write.